Have you ever wondered who made the first calculation? Picture a time when there were no calculators, no computers, not even a simple pen and paper. A time when the human mind was the only tool available to measure and count. This was the dawn of mathematics in the ancient civilizations of Babylon and Egypt. As these societies grew and advanced, so did their understanding of numbers and shapes. They began to develop what we now know as basic arithmetic and geometry. Imagine a bustling marketplace in ancient Babylon where traders used mathematics to determine fair exchanges of goods. Or picture the great pyramids of Egypt, monuments to the power of geometry and precise measurement. These early civilizations laid the groundwork for the mathematical concepts we use today. They turned numbers and shapes from abstract ideas into practical tools that helped their societies thrive. And so the journey of mathematics began with the basic need of counting and measuring. Moving forward in time, we arrive at the classical period where mathematics took a philosophical turn. This era was dominated by the Greeks, who made significant strides in understanding the abstract world of numbers and shapes. One of the most profound discoveries was that of irrational numbers, numbers that cannot be expressed as simple fractions. This was a groundbreaking realization that challenged the very foundations of mathematical thought. Pythagoras, a name we all recognize, was a leading figure of this period. His theorem is a cornerstone in the field of geometry even today, but he wasn't the only one. Enter Euclid, the father of geometry. His monumental work, Elements, was a compilation of all the geometrical knowledge existing at his time, including his own contributions. Euclidean geometry, named after him, is still taught in schools around the globe. The Greeks, without a doubt, left an indelible mark on the mathematical world. As we venture into the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, we see mathematics evolving in fascinating ways. This was a time when the Middle East became a hub of mathematical innovation. The Persian scholar Al-Khwarizmi, for instance, played a key role in the development of algebra. His work was so influential that the word algebra is derived from one of his books. Meanwhile, in India, mathematicians were introducing revolutionary concepts. Perhaps the most groundbreaking was the concept of zero. This breakthrough not only changed the face of arithmetic, but also paved the way for much of modern mathematics. As we move forward to the Renaissance in Europe, a new wave of mathematical advancements came about. The Italian mathematician Luca Pacioli, for instance, made significant contributions to accounting and algebra. His work laid the foundations for double-entry bookkeeping, which is still in use today. This was a period of great mathematical exploration and discovery. Fast forward to the modern era, where the face of mathematics changed drastically. The 17th and 18th centuries saw the development of calculus, a branch of mathematics that revolutionized the discipline, having a profound impact on fields such as physics and engineering. This period was marked by a significant expansion of mathematical theory, with the introduction of new concepts and methods that enabled us to understand and manipulate the world around us in ways previously unimaginable. Enter Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz, two of the most influential figures of this era. Newton, an English physicist and mathematician, is widely recognized for his work on the laws of motion and universal gravitation. On the other hand, Leibniz, a German polymath, made significant contributions to the development of calculus, independently of Newton. Their work, along with that of countless others, played an instrumental role in shaping the field of mathematics as we know it today. The modern era brought about a revolution in mathematical thinking. So, what does this journey through the history of mathematics tell us? It shows us that math has been an integral part of human civilization, an ever-evolving science constantly refining itself. Its roots in ancient times, when basic counting was the cutting-edge technology, have grown into a vast tree of knowledge that spans countless branches. The classical period gifted us with the foundation of geometry, algebra, and the concept of zero. The Middle Ages and Renaissance brought us fundamental advancements like calculus and the beginnings of probability theory. In the modern era, mathematics has become a universal language, an indispensable tool in everything from technology to social sciences. This evolution is not done. As we stand on the shoulders of the mathematical giants who came before us, we continue to push the boundaries, exploring new theories and finding new applications for this amazing discipline. From the basic act of counting to the complex theories of today, mathematics has been and will continue to be an essential part of our lives.